Alrighty, so how was Christmas lights training?
Man, was it a warm day for it.
It was a warm day. It's not like Christmas, that is for sure. That is for sure. So,
yeah.
In the Christmas light class, did you learn anything about Christmas lights?
Everything. I mean, it's not, you know, I'm used to putting lights up, cheap ones, cheap clips, and I was really excited to be able to do it the right way and learn the right way in using, you know, industrial, commercial, high quality lights and be able to make my own. So I'm excited to be able to offer that to some high-end customers and make some awesome money with it.
Awesome. Anything, what's one thing you might tell a new person looking to start Christmas lights?
Definitely do it. You might not think that, oh, who's gonna buy this? Who's gonna pay $1,000 for me to come put lights on their house? Well, that's why we're doing it, because not many people offer a quality Christmas light installation. From what I'm seeing in my area, it's very few landscaping places, so there's a market out there for it, just like anything else. And this is a great course to, it was very hands-on. I mean, we did all hands-on training. We did the...
you actually put them on the gutters, you actually put them in the roof, the whole 9 yards.
Yeah, I mean, not only that, but we did the marketing part of it too. How are we gonna market for this type of business? So that, I mean, that's huge, you know? I feel comfortable now that I can go out there myself, I can market for it, I can push it.
You can sell it, you believe in it.
I'm confident, I know that I can put it up. I'm not just telling the customer, we offer Christmas lights, I gotta go. You know, it's like, hey Miss Beth, we can do this for you. This is what we offer, you know, and go from there. I feel comfortable getting on the roof the safe way, using the GOAT, Cougar Paws, the Ridge Pro, and doing it legally and safe and being profitable with it.
Awesome.
So I'm not gonna underbid myself, because if I was to bid that tree, I would have said $300 when it was more of a, you know, $800 to $1,000 tree. So.
And trees was a lot harder doing than just Jason showing you, wasn't it?
Yeah, the long arm, or I call it the strong arm, is definitely a big help and a great way to do it from the ground. And it's definitely something to practice. I'm gonna practice that.
Awesome. See you in my next video.
Bye.